All right, everyone. So this brings us to the end of this diffusion language model learning journey, which I went on. And ultimately, we built a diffusion language model fully from scratch. We understood the nuts and bolts of how the architecture is assembled. The idea was not to make a 5 minute or 10-minute tutorial, but to show you everything from scratch, to open the black box so that you can do research on top of this, which means that you can vary different hyperparameters, run ablation studies, maybe build your first open source diffusion language model, which is as good as Quen. All of these things are possible now once this black box is opened and you realize exactly how diffusion models work from scratch. Okay, I know this tutorial is not completed. I have not shown supervised fine tuning, which you can do on your own. Since at different sections of this video, I've also shown you how to learn things on your own. So SFT is a part which you can do on your own, and I hope that I will cover some more things which I did not get time to cover. I hope that I will cover some more mathematical aspects, but I could not fit it in this tutorial. So that is also something which, if someone wants to dive deeper mathematically, you can feel free to do that, of course. I also wanted to take, for example, this FineWeb EDU dataset and train a diffusion model on top of it. I have not seen this being done in an open source way. So you can be the first one to do this. The same pipeline which we have built for small language models for the tiny stories dataset, you can do it for the FineWeb EDU dataset, and that will be an amazing and an awesome project. So the goal at Vijuara is always to show you things from scratch, make sure foundations are built, and at the same time inculcate a research mindset. Thanks a lot, everyone. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I hope many of you get into diffusion language models as a research topic, because this can be the next big thing apart from autoregressive language models. Thanks.